He had bad breath and his ears ached. When the doctors knew the cause, they could not believe it. Tonsils, also known as tonsils, or more commonly as angina, are those formations that are located in the pharynx, and that when they become inflamed, a situation that happens more often in childhood, they cause some discomfort to the health, usually little gravity. And although they sometimes become a real problem, which even requires to be removed with surgery, the truth is that in most cases, the tonsils play a very important role, which is to prevent germs and bacteria from entering our body, either by mouth or nose. However, in some cases, due to the presence of calcium salts, alone or in combination with other mineral salts, stones that cause some health complications are formed in the angina. Although smaller stones, also called tonsillites, generally do not have noticeable symptoms, larger stones, 2.5 centimeters or larger in size, can produce recurrent bad breath, halitosis, which often accompanies an infection of the tonsils, white, bad taste in the mouth and difficulty in swallowing, dysphagia. The whole picture may also be accompanied by ear pain, otalgia, and inflammation of the tonsils, tonsillitis. Some tonsillites give the sensation of having a foreign object in the throat. They can be annoying, but they are not, in general, dangerous. Because they occasionally cause infectious pictures, in many cases pharmacological treatment is recommended as a function of the germ causing, as well as surgical cleaning, and although these stones can be expelled spontaneously, it is usually necessary to remove them by surgery. If you have any of these symptoms, you should consult your doctor to rule out the presence of tonsillitis. And as we know it is a topic that has captured your attention, we present images of a surgery to extract tonsils. I attach the link of a video in the description of this video.